Are you suffering from one-sided weakness, tightness on your hamstrings, and you have a little bit pulling sensation on your back? Hi, my name is Annie, and welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. Join me and my daughter Bella on this lovely dynamic stretching using a foam roller to improve the mobility and flexibility of your hamstrings, your hips, and to improve the muscle imbalances if you have scoliosis and if you have one-sided weakness. So we need to open that area. So if you have dextroscoliosis, usually the curvature is towards the right and your concave is in your left. And then if you have levoscoliosis, which is a curvature to the left, then the right side is your area that you need to open and stretch. The same thing with our hamstrings. You might find the pelvic tilt as you lean to the side. So you might find the left side, if you have this curvature, if you have the curvature to the left, so the left side is tighter. And then if you have a curvature to the right, usually the hamstring on your right is tighter. So if you don't have a foam roller, you can use a rolled towel, but it's great to have a foam roller. The purpose of the foam roller, let's begin the program. My daughter and Bella will join me today. It helps elongate your spine for support. And you can use prop-up pillows as well. And then with your feet together, knees together, you're going to start arms overhead as you breathe in. As you lower your knees out to the side, your arms out to the side. Once you reach to this level, shoulder level, pull your elbow back, squeezing your scapular muscles. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's warm up our spine and our hips and shoulders. And then pull and squeeze your upper back as you open to a butterfly stretch. Breathe in, knees together, arms overhead. Exhale, open to the side. Inhale, exhale. Squeezing your arm. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. 2 more. 1. Well done. So after warming up your upper back, we're going to use the foam roller on your upper back. So you're going to sit at the edge of the foam roller. You can use rolled towel and making sure you lie down all the way down with your head touching all the way and your butt. Making sure it's not uncomfortable on your spine. So that's why a soft foam roller. You can check out the link down below for the soft foam roller I have, that you can check it out. And then it will help support and give it proprioceptive feedback. Arms overhead with your elbows straight. And take deep breaths is so important. Making sure you're reaching overhead, lowering your arms on the floor for a flexion. And then back down center. Squeezing your scapular muscles as you reach overhead with your breath. Expand your rib cage. Breathe in and breathe out. Making sure you're really squeezing it and engaging. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, exhale, overhead reach. 2 more. And last one. And now we're going to do snow angels. You're going to lower your arms to the side to engage your shoulder and scapular muscles. Breathe in and breathe out, like lying on the snow, moving your arms side to side. Squeezing your upper back as you reach overhead. So this is great for your upper back muscles, for your scoliosis. 2 more. Last one. Well done. Now we're going to do a diagonal position with your hands pointing to the heavens. You diagonally place your arms back and forth to the hip and shoulders. Left and right alternating. 4 more. Breathe in and breathe out. 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Now we're going to stretch your hamstrings. As I said, if you have the tilt on your left and you want to open your left hip, place the foam roller underneath your pelvis, this time horizontally. Lift both legs up. Let's strengthen and lengthen your hamstrings. So if this is your tight area, it's nice to do both legs. So focus on the area where you have more pressure points. Grab the back of your leg if you can reach and lower your foot down to the opposite side and breathe out. Stretch your hamstrings and let the other leg dangle and really a deep stretch. Breathe in and breathe out. So the elevation will give us a deeper stretch on your hamstrings as you breathe in and breathe out. Don't forget your breath. Inhale, exhale. Scissoring is a great tool, especially if you hold one leg to the opposite side. So if you want, you can pulse a little bit for a deeper stretch. Pulsating means you're going to pull it closer to you, a little bit pulsation and stretch. And then switch. Breathe in and breathe out. Squeezing your core in to engage as well for a little bit core engagement. So as I speed it up, if you're absolute beginner, you don't have to speed up as you switch it up back and forth. Breathe in and breathe out. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Hold that stretch, hold that stretch. So I'm focusing on my left. This is my weaker side, or this is the tighter side. You hold it for 10 seconds extra. Then the other leg. And then switch again and hold it as well. You can do 10 seconds as well. And feel that beautiful stretch. Well done. Now both legs up to the heavens and stretch to a V stretch. Stretch your hip groin area. And these hamstrings are also near that groin. The inner side of your hamstrings. And if you're absolute beginner, just do a butterfly stretch like this. If it hurts your groin, just keep your knees together and knees apart, feet together. But for those who want to progress, you can use your hand to pulse a little bit to stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch your groin area and then back center. And then pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and center. Don't forget your breath. 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If your groin is hurting already, stop. I don't want you to stretch with pain. You can always modify it like what Bella's doing. Just frog stretch. 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Pulsating, dynamic stretching. 2 more. So you might be sore tomorrow and it's okay. It will get better. Just let it rest. Just gentle stretching tomorrow. Last one. Good job. Now we're going to sit up. And we're going to start with pancake position. And if this is very sore for you, you can use the foam roller to sit on so you can sit up straight. So if you're a beginner, see, sitting on the foam roller helps elevate and it's easier to open your legs. But for those who want a challenge, without the foam roller. And now you can shake it off, rest it. Rotation, gentle internal, external rotation. Then we'll do dynamic stretching. So if you have scoliosis, let's open the concave side on one side and stretch and stay there for extra 5 seconds. And then you can always go to the other side, even for a split second. I don't want to promote that curvature for you, but stay longer on the area where you have the concave side. The purpose of this a little bit dynamic stretching is to trick your brain to release, because the brain will stop your muscles to relax. Two more. Last one. And now we're going to crawl forward, bend forward and crawl your fingers forward away from your body until you can touch your elbows down to the floor. And then as you get better, you can put your head all the way down to the floor to a pancake stretch. Roll up, dynamic stretching, trick your brain. It's going to be inhale, reach overhead, exhale, crawl down, roll down. And use your finger, crawl your finger to stretch. And stretch your elbow, rest your elbow down, and push yourself up. Gently breathe in and breathe out. 2 more. Last one. Well done. Now knees together. And then feet together to a butterfly stretch. Separate your knees out for a pulsating butterfly. Take a deep breath. Keep your back straight. Inhale, exhale. Arms overhead. Stretch your upper back. Elbow stretch. And then turn while you're pulsating. Left and right, trunk rotation. Keep your back straight. Squeeze your upper back. Sit up straight. Core engage. Then arms overhead again. And then reach down to the floor if you can. Touching your chest down to your feet. If you can't stretch it yet down, all the way down, it's okay. Take a deep breath. And then roll up. Arms overhead and stretch down. Slow and steady, don't force it. There should be no pain, tingle, or pain. Should be a feel-good stretch. Pain will signal more guarding and discomfort. Last one. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed this lovely dynamic stretching if you have scoliosis, one-sided weakness, and you want to open that concave side and improve the flexibility of your hamstrings on your weaker side to improve that muscle imbalance. If you love this video, want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Like and share this video. Every like given to my channel, you are supporting me. And you can join my upcoming back masterclass. Click the link on the description below for a one-on-one coaching exclusive just for you, so I could guide you reach your back pain goals if you have chronic back pain, low back pain, scoliosis, and I could fix that. Eliminate back pain fast within 14 days. If you have more time today, watch this video about core back protocol, episode 1, and episode 2 about how to do proper breath work. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!